Hello, everybody. Welcome to Monday. Really good day today. Just unbelievable for our portfolios altogether. The S&P 500 was up about 0.6%, which is great. We had really good news from another vaccine maker, AstraZeneca. They had a 90% success rate if you took a half a dose followed by a full dose. But the really important thing about AstraZeneca's vaccine is that it can be transported just using a refrigerator. Doesn't need this really super cold like the previous two do. And it's very cheap altogether too. So that'll make it easier for them to distribute it worldwide, which I think is going to be an important, component of what, kind of makes this virus go away, at least enough for us to really be able to function. But for our portfolios, we had some even better news today. The S&P was up 0.6%, but smart mobility was up 5% today, which is unbelievable. Two of our clean energies were up 4.9 and 3.5. That's pretty good for a day. Online retail 2.9, large value up 2.9, small value was up 2.4, et cetera. So really, really good. On the downside, Apple was down today at 2.3%, which is a bit painful since we've owned that for a while. But we've had great run in that, which is why I think it's kind of settling down right now. But I see that as good news. Unfortunately, one of the things that's happening in the market, throughout the summer, for example, was that the leadership was very narrow. It was just big tech stocks. And if you really want the market to continue to grow, it needs to spread into other stocks. And so even with Microsoft and Apple being down, the market did quite well today. So again, that's something that I've been watching, and I think that's very important. Lots of good stuff happening today. I'll be very interested to see what happens tomorrow. And so I will talk to you then. Thank you very much.